Fancy West Coast beast. We've got a 390 Pendolino, Avanti West Coast, London Euston. Hello, we got us first free today, class 66. Must be had a fast one. Here at Polesworth. Hello, we got a London Northwestern. Hello and welcome back. Just a little shot of Polesworth station on West Coast Main Line. Got two greens, and then we've got two greens on other side. So I'm just waiting to see what appears. This is Polesworth. I think that's a class, I think, is that the 802? Avanti West Coast. Hello and welcome back. We've got another Avanti West Coast to London Euston. Here at Polesworth. We got one on inside line. I think that is that a class 350. That's been on green for about since I got here. Got another one on. Another fast one. Let's have a look what we got. Hey, it's busy on here today. Got another 390. Nice view though around here. Let me just zoom out a minute. Look at the view you get at Polesworth station. Right, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more. Got a class 390 beast again, Banty West Coast. Got another one up. Got another 390 Pendolino to London Euston. Got another 390 beast.